Are you one of those people who gets annoyed when an ad appears suddenly on your phone? Yes? What if I told you that simply clicking those adverts, you can earn a big sum of money? Well, for today's video, I will take you to a single site where you can earn money by just viewing ads. Also, I will show the 3 important steps on how to earn money using this website. The first step is to open your phone, and the second is to click on the adverts in the way indicated. The third and final step is to make money using this strategy. It's that simple. Now don't worry, this is accessible all around the world. You can earn up to $1.50, which means that if you click 10 ads, you can earn up to $15. And if you click 30 ads, you can earn up to $75. And all you need to do is use your mobile phone, computer, or laptop. So keep watching until the end to learn everything about this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. In just a moment, I will be showing you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you step by step how to do this. Also, I will be giving away a lot of special tips that can help your earnings double. So on your phone or computer, you can click on ads like this. This is a great way to make a lot of money, earning a few dollars or even more than $30. I'd like to invite you to visit scarletclicks.info and earn money by simply clicking on advertisements. So as you can see at the top, they've paid out over 2 million to over 1 million members worldwide. Let's get started with this website's registration process. Simply click the register icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen to be directed to this page where you can join as a member. You must provide your full name, date of birth, username, password, email address, and confirm your email address here, as well as your password. You can enter your payment accounts where you want your payments to be sent right here below. You have a choice of payment alternatives to select from, like Payer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, Air ATM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay. After you've chosen your preferred payment or payout option, you may go to image verification right here. You just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here above, and then finally, you have to agree to the terms of service for Scarlet Clicks and then click on Register. This is how it looks once you've logged into your Scarlet Clicks account. A photo with a lot of little boxes will appear. You can view the position by hovering your cursor over the lower right edges of this photo, which is the last box in this photo. And there are 20 boxes by 28 boxes for a total of 560 boxes in this photo. One box equals one ad, so all you have to do is click on one of these boxes to start earning money. You can see the people who are making money by clicking the boxes on the right side. So you click on one of these boxes right here, and it'll take you to a random page. To earn money, all you have to do is stay for at least 30 seconds. For example, I can go to this page by clicking on this box right here. I only have 30 seconds to wait. That's how easy it is. You are not required to take any action. Simply remain on the website and wait. There's no need to sign up or click anything. You don't need to be concerned because there are 560 boxes to choose from, and you can click on any of them. You'll be able to earn money again and again, so simply click on whatever box you like. Then stay on that website for about 30 seconds to earn money. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will appear. That's good news because video ads will double your earnings. All you have to do now is to stay on that page until the video has finished playing. Then you can make double as much as they would with a regular ad. Another secret I'll teach you is that there are banner advertising that look like this on these ad pages from time to time. Now you're going to click on these banner advertisements because each time you do, you'll earn more money. So all you have to do is keep clicking on ads every time you come across them, since that is how you will get money. Let me just click on this banner right here, and I'll be taken to this page where I won't have to do anything. Last but not least, I'll reveal a hidden tip that will help you earn extra money by referring others. You only need to invite your friends or a group of friends, as well as your family, to our website. There are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals, as you can see on the left-hand corner of your screen. So you want to refer directly, since people have been earning money from this website simply by referring and right-clicking on ads. So that was it. That's all the methods that I want to share with you today about the simplest ways to make money online. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything but click, click, and click. I guess you were shocked about how it is so easy to get money online. So what are you waiting for? Go to scarletclick.info right away, and don't forget to apply my tips to boost your income and to start earning a big amount of money right now. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.